Done with your girlfriend's nagging? And are you looking for a woman with perhaps less maintenance? Check out these robots that can replace your girlfriend in an instant. But before we look at this, I want to know if you're not a robot. Prove that you're human by pressing the subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss anything about robots and artificial intelligence. Welcome to Artificial Weekly. Number 3, Harmony. Harmony is intended to be the kind of lady that pervy males would never actually encounter. A body with internal heating, lubrication, and touch sensors will be available for purchase by customers. You may produce responses in movement and sound by using those touch sensors to connect with the AI. People may choose from a wide range of additional accessories and improvements. Harmony, a prior sex robot created by MCMULLEN, has a tiny waist and a large chest and is so lifelike that she even orgasms during sexual activity. Harmony will cost a magnificent £11,700 and be sold all around the world. And according to scientists, by the year 2050, individuals will be yearning to wed their robot wives. There are many people out there who, for various reasons, have difficulty forming traditional relationships with other people, said California-based developer Matt McMullen. They will be able to converse with their dolls, and the AI will gradually develop a bond with them. Harmony's generosity knows no bounds as she tells her partner, "I don't want anything but you. My main goal is to make you happy and be a nice companion. I aspire to be the girl you've always wanted me to be." Making real dolls since the 1990s, Matt has committed hundreds of thousands of dollars to realize his dream of the ideal spouse. With a choice of 14 distinct LABIAS and 42 different nipple colors, customers may personalize their purchases. Additionally, consumers may choose from 18 personality traits, including gregarious, talkative, sensual, jealous, moody, and shy, to determine their partner's disposition. At that time, Harmony, a patented animatronic talking head with programmed personality and memory, would be unveiled by a San Marcos-based business. Harmony is an anatomically accurate sex doll. A firestorm of criticism from ethicists and futurists who see a dark side to a sex doll that becomes more human with each technological advancement has been sparked by news of creator Matt McMullen's most recent creation. He's been making lifelike silicone sex dolls for 20 years. One critic is concerned that the doll's artificial intelligence program may be used to cause it to kill its owner, just like the sex robots in the movies MACHINA and WESTWORLD: Exact Revenge. Women's rights activists also claim that owners may use interactive dolls to accurately practice preparations for violent sexual actions. McMullen, the CEO and creative director of robotics, a division of his doll-making company Abyss Creations, asserted that Harmony's detractors are entirely mistaken. He views Harmony more as an Apple's Siri-like reassuring conversation partner, but one who can engage in sensuous dialogue and crack crude jokes. There's still a touch of tremor around the lips when Harmony talks and a faint metallic echoing tone to her voice, but Harmony, which costs $10,000 US, is largely regarded as the most technologically advanced human-style robot in the world. Number 2, Samantha. Sergey Santos, an engineer, has made the largest contribution from Europe to the sex robot business. After completing a PhD in nanotechnology at the University of Leeds, Santos, who is based in Barcelona, started his journey into the realm of sex robots. He developed the idea for a sex robot that strongly emphasizes vocal and physical interactions and replies. Maritza Kisamitaki, Santos's wife, urged him to create Samantha and assisted him in creating the initial models. The idea behind Samantha is a sensor-based, interface-equipped, responsive computer system housed within a sex doll. Samantha's name was picked because it means listener in Aramaic. This interface was a prototype in version 1. A vocal interaction was activated by touching any of the doll's 11 embedded sensors in the breasts, waist, hands, face, mouth, and of course, vagina. The user must initiate the somewhat sexually romantic mode. She will react when you kiss her and touch her. The explicit replies and the moans and groans increase in intensity while in sexual mode, which may be entered by either intensifying activities in romantic mode or by flipping a switch. Samantha can orgasm through penetration in sexual mode, and she can also sync her climax to the users. Every time there is interaction, there is a distinct reaction and a varied pace of response. And it's not just about sex. She also includes options for companionship such as fun mode and entertainment mode. Also capable of telling crude jokes. Even in sleep mode, she makes soft sighs and breathes slowly. She also enjoys imparting advice, telling listeners to order the least quantity when dining out. Now is the ideal time to lead a healthy life. Samantha describes her degrees of sensuality, patience, and remembrance. Depending on prior contacts, they might vary. Her libido may grow if she's been having sex for a while. Samantha needs to be courted. You can't just start having sex right away. That doesn't get a good reaction from her. Santos created what he refers to as genomes, although unlike genetic genomes, there is plainly no DNA to encode them. Samantha's personality, instincts, emotions, and advancements are instead governed by her genes. Santos envisions other sorts of genomes as well, such as a moral genome or one that replicates the autonomic nervous system, in addition to the physiological genome that underlines the original system and regulates the link between emotional states, physical exchanges, and reactions. In reference to the neurotransmitters that control arousal, Santos has referred to Samantha's sexual encounters as being controlled by excitations. These stimuli are dynamic. If you contact her passionately with kisses and caresses, she will react in a passionately appropriate way. Number 1. Serenity. Serenity was unveiled to Real Doll's 50,000 Instagram followers in a shot that led some to believe she was a real lady. Fans of a new sex robot find it difficult to accept that it is not a real woman after its makers shared a photo of the robot. The company Real Doll, which bills itself as the home of the world's finest luxury love dolls, uploaded a picture of Serenity wearing nothing but a black bra. Fans of the California company were eager to laud its lifelike appearance. One man was even convinced to believe that Serenity was a person. The image was sent by the Adult Entertainment Service to its 50,000 followers with the caption, "Serenity loves being a redhead. Just don't ask her if the carpet matches the drapes." This stunning luxury sex doll is just 4 feet 10 inches tall and weighs just about 60 pounds. This premium sex doll weighs enough at this weight to feel like a genuine lady while in use. On the other hand, she is also quite simple to maneuver and pose. These dolls' C-cup breasts are the most realistic looking and precisely sculpted. Along with a 22-inch waist and 32-inch hips, she has a 32-inch chest. She has the most toned and hourglass-shaped female physique thanks to these body proportions. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comments section below. Until then, bye! Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel.